What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to use the Edit app. If you have your Edit app, you want to open it. And firstly, we want to mention what the buttons at the bottom are for. As you can see, there are 5 buttons at the very bottom of the page. And when you tap on the first button, now here at the top, you can see this is under Ideas. Now under Ideas, you can have stickies. Now these are basically sticky notes where you can write your ideas. In order to add a sticky, you can tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner where you have the plus right there. So we could say just an idea and then tap on add. And then you can see just an idea has been added. If we tap on it once again, we could also change the color at the top by tapping on the color circle there. And we have a different color. Great. Now, once we tap on Reels, this is where you have your saved Reels. And then it's the same thing for audio and then your collections. Now, at the bottom, we have the play button right there. And this is where you can basically get inspiration for your ideas.
दिल से दिल कभी
And then the third icon is where you can actually run your edits. If you want to edit a new video, you can tap on the plus icon right there. Select if you want to use your camera or your gallery. Make some selections, tap on add at the top right corner, and wait for a few moments for your media to load. Now, once all of these are loaded, you can use this to edit just as you would with any other video editing app, such as CapCut or InShot. You have your options right here at the bottom to explore and to make some changes to your video and make it look great. At the top, you can see the export button right there for when you're done. You could also see 2K right there, and this is your resolution settings. You can see HD, 2K, 4K, your frame rate, and your color. And this is called New Project. Once you tap on it, you can give it a new project name. We're going to call it Padding. So this is the name of the video. And once we click on the X at the top left corner, you can see Padding has been added as one of the projects we're working on. Now at the bottom, you have 2 more icons. You have your record button, and you could go ahead and make some recordings right here. Then when we go over to the 5th icon, this is for Insights, where you can see some metrics about your account in the last 30 days. At the top right corner, you can see right there, 30 days. Then you could change it between 7, 14, 30, or 60 days. So with all these, as we have shown you, you can go ahead and use your Edits app effectively.